girl Carly. I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I'll be giving my best friend
Kiana
a makeover. This is my first time ever trying to do a cut crease, and she wants glitter. She extra like that. So
Period.
I'm gonna have to try to figure out how I'm gonna do this glitter. Stay tuned. I'm gonna walk through everything, my whole process, and yeah, hopefully it'll look good. I'm praying it will.
Okay, so first we're going to start with the eyebrows, just brushing them up, trying to shape them. As you guys can see, my best friend eyebrows look like the Hollister bird, so I had to reconstruct them all the way.
I wanted to.
Okay.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm going to start filling in her eyebrows. I'm just using an angled brush from any hair store and some dark brown gel, eyebrow gel from any hair store to fill in the shape of her eyebrows to give her that arch look. I'm pulling her skin up where her eyebrow is just to like help me out a little bit. But I'm just going to basically just fill in the shape of her eyebrow. They're going to look a little sharpie at first, but a concealer will even those out.
Some of y'all really be walking around with your eyebrows like this, and it's sad.
Alright, y'all, so I'm finna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina collection, the Volume 1 Pro Pigment palette. I'm about to start with a base on her eyes. I'm gonna go in with this white because I don't have any eyeshadow primer. So
more face inside.
go on. So we're gonna go in with this white right here.
All right, first before I put the base on there, I'm going to put some concealer on her eyelids to make everything blend, everything stick before I start with the primer.
We're gonna be going in with E5 over here. I don't know what else to say.
E5 over here.
I don't know what else to say. I'm gonna go in with this color for her cut crease.
Okay, so right here, I'm basically going in with E5 to make a rainbow shape. That's what I think of to start off with this cut crease. Yeah, basically you just do that and bring the color all the way down to the bottom of her eyelids. And this palette is so freaking pigmented. I love it. You can already see the color showing up, and I just put it on there. Like it's so amazing. Okay, since C5 is basically a lighter version of the first color that we put on, y'all see that leftover concealer up at the top? That's where I'm putting C5 to basically blend out the other color, if that makes sense. Okay, so y'all, please don't judge my Morphe palette. This was my first ever palette, but basically I'm going in with that dark brown, and I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to call it the line of demarcation, where I'm going to put my cut crease. So basically what I'm going to do is in the middle of the lighter burgundy color and the darker burgundy color where I blended it out, in the middle of that, you're going to want to put that dark brown because that's where you're going to start your cut crease. So watch how I put it in the middle of the two colors that I just put on her. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the HD concealer. I got this from some hair store. I'm gonna use that, and wherever I see the brown that I put on, I'm gonna just basically do another rainbow and conceal all the way down. Okay, now we're getting to the easy parts. Now I'm going to go over on her eyelids with the silver to really make the glitter pop. All right, and now I'm going back in with the first color that we used, that dark burgundy. I'm going to add that to the corner of both of her eyelids.
Ooh. Here we go.
So y'all, this is actually where you're supposed to, the time where you're supposed to put the glitter glue on. I'm gonna go ahead and put it wherever there's silver, and then I'm gonna add the glitter.
You could just talk away. So right now we just put the lashes on. Now we just got to do the foundation and the contouring, and I will say my best did that. Period. My best did that.
Okay, so apparently I forgot to record an outro to the video, but thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.